Adventure Beyond the Stars. One quiet night, under the starry sky, Tomo, a boy living in a small village, had a mysterious dream. In his dream, he was traveling to a vast universe where beautiful stars twinkle. The story he imagined was hidden in the stars. When Tomo woke up, Lily, the star spirit she met in her dream, appeared in front of her. Tomo, it's time for your adventure. To save our world, we need to borrow the power of the stars, she said. Tomo nodded in surprise and excitement, and was led by Lily to open the door to the world of the stars. There were islands floating in the sky and grasslands with shooting stars pouring down. Tomo, who began his adventure, met the inhabitants of various stars. Many stars had their own stories and shared their sorrows and joys. Tomo learned the importance and courage of friendship by listening to their stories. However, a dark shadow was approaching in the world of the stars. It was a forgotten monster that stole the story of the stars, and they were trying to erase the story from the stars. Tomo and Lily are determined to confront the forgotten monster. They went on a journey to collaborate with the inhabitants of each planet to gather the power of the story to fight the forgotten monster. By collecting legends and memorable songs told by the inhabitants of the stars, the power of the forgotten monster was weakened. Finally, Tomo and the others arrived at the monster's castle, and the epic battle began. Tomo believed in their story and succeeded in defeating the monster with the help of his friends. Tomo, who won, watched the light return to the world of the stars again. The stars thanked him and engraved an important story in Tomo's heart. When it was time to return to Earth, Lily said with a smile, "The story of the stars dwells in your heart. At any time, cherish your own story." Tomo returned to the village and decided to color every day with a new story, looking back on his adventure with the star spirit like a dream. The courage and friendship he learned in the world of the stars continued to shine in his heart forever.